Ladies and gents, hello and welcome back to Prash Super Travels. If you haven't seen me before, definitely check out some content. I'm sure you'll find something you like watching. Anyways, my name is Prash. I do hope you're all having a fantastic start to your day. I'm currently back in Llandudno, one of my favourite places here in North Wales. And every time I've come to North Wales, I've always walked past this place. And it's called the Big Mouth Grill. Let's have a proper look. So I've always walked past this place. And I kept thinking to myself, I need to try it out because the menu is extraordinary. First of all, I mean, I can't eat beef, so the gourmet burgers are out of the question for me, but look at the choice of chicken burgers. And if Mum's here, then the good thing is we've got the veggie burgers, wild burger, wraps, and look, guys, veg wrap, you can get 2 patties, salsa, lettuce, onions, cheese and mayo, $8.95. Come on. They do the milkshakes, they do absolutely everything here. Wow. Just absolutely incredible menu. So it's kind of like a Nando's kind of place, but in Llandudno, and you know what? It's very affordable. Peri peri, buffalo hot. You've got all the good sauces here. That's amazing. Wow. So, I think without further ado, we need to go inside and eat because I'm hungry and got a little surprise for you guys as well. In fact, 1 second, let's close the door because it is getting a little bit cold out there. Even in this cold weather, I've come especially to Llandudno to show you guys how amazing this place is. So, my surprise to you right now is I've not come here alone. No. I've not come alone. Look who I've come with. Hello.
Mum Super.
How are you?
I'm cold.
Don't worry, Mum Super, we've got you back covered. Why? Because we're going to get her a proper hot veggie burger. I'm going to have the chicken one. We're good to go. Let's order. Let's have a look at the food menus and everything first. But let me go and order my food, actually. Let me order the food, and then we'll come back to you guys in just a minute. Absolutely fantastic menu, isn't it? Look at that. Ooh, chili cheesy fries. Very nice. And don't forget you've even got to either side as well. Just look at this. Absolutely fantastic. Wow. This feels like my kind of place already. I've only just walked in. Not eaten here before, so this would be quite interesting for me to try. God, where do you start? The menu is extraordinary. Right, so cheesy fries. Mom, do you want normal fries or cheese fries? Normal fries or cheese fries? Normal, yeah. Right, so we're going to go with the normal. We're going to get some of the hot sauces as well. Hopefully they can do them separate. Jalapeno shots. No idea what that is, but we'll ask them. Wow, got so much. It's ridiculous, honestly. I know what I'm going to go with, which is the Tex-Mex burger. It's a grilled peri-peri chicken burger with jalapenos, tortilla chips, salsa, lettuce, onion, cheese, and mayo in a brioche bun. Wow. And at $8.95, it's actually really affordable. Regular fries, it's going to be $3.75. I'm going to get some coleslaw, love a bit of coleslaw on the side. Flavoured rice as well. They do everything here. It's literally like a Nando's, but probably like 10 times of a bigger menu, I think. And they do things a lot more. What would you say, guys? So looking at the menu, would you say this is like Nando's on steroids? Is that fair to say? Comment below, let me know. Have you been there before? Would you come here? Would you ever come here? Let me know. I'm curious. Wow, look at that. That looks amazing. Wow. Veg burger. That's massive. Guys, that looks incredible. Thank you, sir. Wow. Sir, do you have the buffalo sauce? Yep. Wow.
I eat
Oh.
this, will I able to eat at night?
Ah, that does look good. Mum, try this one first.
What's that?
Try that, see what you think. Right now, Mum, we're going to try the burger at the same time. Mum, look this way.
My God, look at the size.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go, Mum. Ready? Oh, wow.
Oh.
That is amazing.
Oh my God, look at that.
I forgot to talk. I forgot the cameras on speed. God, that is... I'm lost for words.
Will I able to eat tonight?
You better. I'm taking Mum out tonight for a very nice meal. Mum's going straight in for that burger. Let's try the buffalo sauce. Oh, wow. I think Mum will like that. Hold on, Mum. Put some inside. That's actually really nice. It's not super spicy. It's just about right. That's perfect. It's not like cattle. It's not cattle. It's just about right.
No, it's nice.
Need some pepper.
Nice, very nice.
Put Mum's drinking for her. So that burger is like, let's just look at the size of it. It's absolutely huge. Oh God, you can taste the kick. Wow.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is absolutely incredible.
Thank you, sir.
Really good. Salsa on that is really good. It's quite a rich flavour on the salsa. It's not super tangy, but along with the buffalo sauce, the actual burger does have the peri-peri sauce in there. It does have a little bit of the buffalo. It's got jalapenos in there. It's got a tortilla chip in there as well. A mix of flavours exploding at the same time. It is just really special. Really, really good. So glad I came here, honestly. Mum, what do you think?
It is very nice, delicious. Oh, this is going to really fill me up. I don't know how am I going to eat tonight.
The jalapeno bites, interesting. Really cheesy, like, oh. Very cheesy. But, kind of like my pickup lines, but. Me and Mum are going to take our time and eat this. We'll talk to you guys straight after we've eaten and let you know what we think. Okay, with that being said, see you guys in a second.